Change your YouTube channel name. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to change the name of your YouTube channel on a brand account. To get started, make sure you logged into the YouTube channel that you want to change the name for. Once you logged into the YouTube channel, check your channel icon in the top right. Then I want you to head over to YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, scroll down on the left-hand side and select the Settings tab. Then we're going to choose Channel and at the top, Advanced Settings. Scroll down to Other Channel Settings and then select Manage your YouTube account. Then I want you to look next to your YouTube channel under your channel name and select Edit on Google. This will take you across to the Google account where you can change the master name of your YouTube channel. So under Name, select what you currently have and delete it and add the new name that you want for your channel. Once you've checked that you've entered your new channel name correctly, click on OK. Google is going to ask you to confirm this change. Make sure that you've spelled your new channel name correctly and then confirm the change. A lot of our subscribers have said to us when they get to this stage that they're not inside the channel that they want to change the channel name for. If this happens to you, head over to the top right and click on your channel icon. You'll then drop down on all the YouTube channels that you have. Scroll down until you get to your brand accounts and select the branded YouTube channel that you want to change the channel name for. Then it will pop up as your Google About Me page. Click on the pen next to your name and your profile picture. Then you'll be back at the stage we were when we first arrived here on the Google About Me page. You can now change the name of your YouTube channel and select OK. Google will then again ask you to confirm the change, check that you've spelled your new YouTube channel name correctly, and select Confirm Change. Congratulations, you have now changed your YouTube channel name. If you have any questions or queries about this, please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help. One of the questions we got in our last video was how do I add a channel manager to my branded YouTube channel account? Let's go through this quickly to show how you can add a manager to your YouTube brand account. Head back to youtube.com and head into YouTube Studio for the YouTube channel that you want to add the channel manager for. Then head down the left-hand side, click on Settings, select Channel, select Advanced Settings, same as last time, and scroll down to Other Channel Settings. We're going to click on Manage your YouTube account. Once we're here, scroll down to Channel Managers and select Add or Remove Channel Managers. Once you select the blue Manage Permissions button, Google is going to ask you to log in again to verify that it is your Google account. Log back in and select Next. Now I want you to click again on that Manage Permissions and then at the top right, click on the plus with the two little people. Enter the email of the manager that you want to add to your YouTube channel. Once you've added their email, select the role that you would want for them. We're going to choose Manager and select Invite. You'll see here the invitation has been sent to the manager. Click Done. Now I want you to log into the email of the manager that you've just added. Select your email from Google and select Accept Invitation. Once you're here, you can click on the grey Accept button. Now, if you want to manage the permissions, Google is going to ask you to re-verify that the new manager is this Google account. Log in to verify and click on Manage Permissions again. Now you can see that the manager has been accepted as a manager for the YouTube brand account. Click Done. If you have any questions or queries about adding a manager to your YouTube channel, please let us know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. If you're interested in learning how to make money from your YouTube channel, then we have a free 7-day YouTube course that'll teach you the exact step-by-step process that we used to monetize our YouTube channel. We'll leave you a link down in the description below for you to sign up to our free YouTube 7-day course. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.